The goal of the Tokyo-based JASMY platform is to completely transform the way users' data is managed online. Instead of tech giants profiting from it, the platform wants to decentralize the process and give consumers control of their data. JASMY Coin got off to a good start, with its price skyrocketing in the first month. Recently, though, things have been looking bleak for the cryptocurrency. Does the JASMY price prediction suggest it can start climbing again? The JASMY platform was born out of discomfort with the way that our online data is currently handled. Its website argues that users, rather than the tech giants, should own their data. Aside from the centralization issue, JASMY is also trying to solve those incidents where data is leaked in cyber attacks. JASMY's answer is to provide Internet of Things devices with a platform where users can safely and efficiently manage their own data. The platform can also be used to manage the devices and keep track of their current status. Through this platform, JASMY hopes to take back control from the tech giants and put it in the hands of the user. There is a very capable team behind JASMY. It was formed by a group of ex-Sony employees including Kunitake Ando, who was previously the 7th president of the Sony Corporation, Kazumasa Sato, who used to be the representative director of Sony Style, and Tadashi Morita, who was with Sony starting in 1971. Along with its platform, the decentralized project has launched a community for developers and businesses called the JASMY League. Its goal is to support and inspire innovation on the JASMY platform. The website offers a campus of learning materials, awards for innovative developers, and a place for the community to socialize. The JASMY Coin token is what powers this decentralized network for IoT devices. Its primary use is as a source of payment for the network. This ERC20 token can be transferred between various devices. The white paper states, when our basic needs such as clothing, food, shelter, which means ishikuju in Japanese, or transportation are connected via the internet, this will dramatically affect our lives. We are an IoT platform company on a mission to provide the infrastructure which allows anybody to use data safely and securely. We are currently developing and providing the JASMY platform to achieve this. The document goes on to say, unlike the current centralized world, we will build an IoT platform suitable for the idea of a JASMY decentralized data democracy. Through the JASMY platform, we will endeavor to accelerate the use of data and install the concept of data democracy. JASMY Coin has a fairly short price history because it only launched in February 2021. The token started its journey off on a high note. Within the first 3 weeks of February, it had announced plenty of new listings. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap had implemented its price data. Then MathWallet and Gate.io listed the token on their trading platforms. This culminated in the JASMY Coin hitting its all-time high of $4.99 on February 16, 2021. The price of JASMY corrected to around the $2 mark over the following days. It then temporarily spiked again on March 1, 2021, reaching $2.96. Subsequently, JASMY Coin settled around $1. May 2021 proved to be an exciting month for the IoT platform and token. A JASMY Coin staking campaign was launched by Gate.io, which ran from late April to May 10th. Those who staked the token could earn an annual interest rate of 50%. Chief Finance Officer Hiroshi Harada then revealed that JASMY was looking at cross-chain compatibility. This came at a time when Ethereum gas fees were climbing rapidly. Harada tweeted a photo that implied JASMY was looking at Polygon and Binance Smart Chain in particular. The JASMY team also announced in May that it was offering support for the MetaMask wallet. Its price passed $2, hitting a peak of $2.15 on May 5th. But JASMY could not hold on, and the price started to plummet that month. By June 17, 2021, the IoT token had fallen below 10 cents. It continued to fall throughout the following months, dropping to a low of $0.008 on July 2, 2021. JASMY has been unable to come anywhere close to $1 again, but it did start rallying again in October. JASMY's price jumped to 6 cents on October 7, 2021, the day before the token was listed on Coinbase. The IoT cryptocurrency saw more listings that month, including with Bitfinex and KuCoin, which resulted in JASMY hitting 11 cents on October 26, 2021. There was another surge on November 2, 2021 when JASMY partnered with X Digital Innovation. Its intention was to start experimenting with its services in the personal finance field. On the day the partnership was announced, the token hit 27 cents. It passed 20 cents again on November 23, 2021 as Transcosmos released a telecommunications system based on the JASMY network. The goal of this partnership was to apply JASMY's data decentralization goals in a call center setting. The surge, however, was only temporary and JASMY had dropped back under the 10 cents mark in December 2021. The platform was in the news once more recently, as it announced it was looking at launching an English-language version of its PC software. The coin opened in the new year at $0.08544 and remained stuck in a general downtrend, closing January 31, 2022 at $0.04596. February wasn't much better in the long-running bear market, and the coin was valued at lows of $0.016 by the end of the month. On March 24, 2022, JASMY reached a brief peak of $0.04432. However, the descent continued well into April and May, despite the successful launch on Binance. JASMY hit further lows of $0.01748 on April 30, 2022. The token then met a new all-time low following multiple market-wide crashes, trading at under $0.00812 on June 18, 2022. Some headway has been made in the intervening weeks, but the token largely traded sideways between $0.008 and 1 cent. As of the time of this video, the token is trading at $0.0084446, only 3% above its all-time low. The majority of JASMY price predictions suggest a steady rise for the cryptocurrency, but none think it will pass $1 anytime soon. Government Capital's JASMY price prediction for 2022 is extremely bearish. The site suggests JASMY's value will have in August and be negligible by September. Wallet Investor believes the coin will be worth $0.0009 towards the end of this year. The site suggests JASMY is a bad long-term investment. Digital Coin Price is more optimistic about the future of JASMY. It thinks the token could reach as high as $0.0117 in August, up over 40%, and makes a JASMY price prediction for 2025 of $0.0160. A general year-on-year uptrend is then expected, with the site making a JASMY price prediction for 2030 of $0.0381. PricePrediction.net expects JASMY to be worth $0.012 in August 2022 and suggests the coin will rise to an average of $0.019 in 2023, $0.029 in 2024, and $0.043 in 2025. The site gives a maximum JASMY price prediction for 2031 of 40 cents. JASMY is tackling the huge area of centralized data, giving the platform great potential. Yet it still has a lot to prove to investors before the token can break its price record.